A geocomposite is often used on a concrete surface before laying asphalt to address issues like reflective cracking, drainage, or bonding between layers. It combines two or more geosynthetic materials to enhance performance in road construction. Here's how geocomposites are typically used in this context. Purpose of geocomposites before asphalt on concrete: crack mitigation. Reflective cracking in asphalt occurs when cracks in the underlying concrete propagate into the asphalt layer. Geocomposites act as an intermediate layer to minimize or delay the formation of these cracks. Improved bonding. A geotextile component within the geocomposite can improve the bond between the concrete and asphalt layers, ensuring better structural integrity. Drainage. Some geocomposites incorporate a drainage layer that helps to channel water away, reducing the risk of water damage and improving the lifespan of the pavement. Stress absorption under heavy traffic. Geocomposites with a stress-absorbing layer reduce strain in the asphalt, especially under heavy traffic loads. Types of geocomposites: asphalt reinforcement geocomposite. These combine geotextiles with glass fibers, polyester grids, or other reinforcing materials to strengthen the asphalt overlay. Bond breaker geocomposites. These are non-woven geotextiles that act as a bond breaker to allow for some movement between the asphalt and concrete layers. Waterproofing geocomposites. Geocomposites with a waterproofing layer prevent moisture ingress into the concrete. Installation process. Surface preparation: clean the concrete surface thoroughly to remove dust, debris, and loose materials. And fill any large cracks or surface imperfections in the concrete. Application of track coat. Apply a tack coat, emulsified bitumen, to bond the geocomposite to the concrete. Placement of geocomposite. Roll out the geocomposite on the prepared surface. Ensure proper alignment and tension to avoid wrinkles or folds. Asphalt overlay. Lay the hot mix asphalt over the geocomposite. The heat from the asphalt activates the bonding properties of the geocomposite. Advantages. Extends the lifespan of asphalt overlays. Reduces maintenance costs by minimizing cracking. Improves drainage, preventing water damage. Increases structural integrity.